The first fundamental we're going to look at is how to hold the pick correctly. Now, there's no particularly right way to hold it because it's not a natural thing for us to be doing, but we're going to look at how the physiology of the hand and the arm matches how we can most be relaxed when we're holding the pick. So if you just rest your hand to your side, you'll notice that generally your thumb will rest against the outside of your forefinger. And that's all we're going to keep the same position. We're just going to put the pick in the side there. The pick doesn't touch the fingerprint and it doesn't touch the very side of the finger. It's slightly on the curve, about 45 degrees. And then the thumb print just holds the pick gently. Don't use your thumb tip. A lot of people use the thumb tip. And also don't go too far down the thumb because that will give you extra tension that you don't need. It's just a relaxed hold on just around the side of the forefinger and the thumb print. You should find after a while, it's going to be slightly tricky to hold it, but after a while, if you get this position just right, the pick won't rotate and you won't find you drop it quite so much as perhaps you might be. We need to rest on the bridge when we're doing picking, in other words, single notes, and we need to have a loose forearm when we're strumming. So just on the edge of where you do a karate chop, just come round to the palm, and it's just on this fleshy pad here. We're going to rest it just where the fat string, the E and the A string, come across the bridge. So that's our picking position. And what you want to do, when you look down, you should only see about 1 millimetre or 2, maybe at the most 3 millimetres of pick. If you've got too much pick, one, it's not going to sound as good and you're going to lose control. If you have too much, then you're not going to get the attack that you need. So it's just a couple of mil of pick. And a good test would be, maybe something like the pentatonic scale, just play each note twice. And as you go through the scale, make sure you're still resting. You might find that you come down slightly on the bridge towards the thinner strings. And it starts to drift up as you get to the fat strings. When you're strumming, hold it the same way. Resist temptation to grip it really hard, but now the movement's coming from your elbow. So you're still resting on the guitar, but there's more movement in the arm. Then when you go to your lead, so it's probably worth working through the examples that we've given just so you can have a bit of lead and a bit of chord just to work through the comfort of holding the pick.